A suspected shoplifter tried to run but was quickly caught by police and taken into custody.
Relax.
No, I'm not gonna relax. I punched that nigga in his face because he was talking shit, and then I stole a pack of cigarettes because I got no money because I'm homeless on the streets. What about y'all? Oh, y'all need backup. You need backup because you're
Relax.
pussies.
Okay.
Pussy. I punched that nigga in his face. Hell yeah, I did.
Who'd you punch in the face?
That fat motherfucker at the goddamn gas station. I punched
Why'd
him
you
in
hit
his
him
shit.
in the face?
Because he's a fuck. Don't get close to me, motherfucker.
Stop.
No, stop. Yeah, he's fucking bent, nigga.
Yeah, I got him, bro. Come here.
Can I have a place to sleep now, bro?
Oh,
please?
now you want to go to sleep.
Yes, dude. I need a fucking stay. Why do you think I do this shit?
Just wanted to fight 2 seconds ago.
Because I need a fucking stay,
Okay,
bro.
Get on your fucking.
Can you get off
You're
me so
gonna.
I can?
You're gonna get hurt, bro. You gonna get on your stomach?
Yes. Brother, what the f***?
Your steak. Get on your stomach. Relax.
I'm trying. Watch yourself, bro. I got hat, dude. I got blood on my hands. Watch yourself, brother. Seriously, I punched that nigga in his face because he's been a bitch to me for so long. I ain't mad. It's like, what the fuck, dude? What do I gotta do to get
211. I got him detained. Where we at? Verizon? We'll be in front of the Verizon. Go. Hold on.
What the fuck,
Stay.
bro?
Keep your hands behind your back, bro. You need med, dude?
Yes.
Alright. I'm gonna call for med. He's bleeding pretty bad.
You okay?
I'm good.
Brother, you
Go ahead, start, man.
got the wrong here, man.
Laceration.
Oh, I don't think so, man.
Weren't you the same guy who took a swing at me, tried to fight me?
Motherfucker, you
Because
came
I
at
got
me
you on
first.
camera, brother.
Dude, you came at me. Get out my nigga.
Relax.
Take these cuffs off, nigga. You
Relax.
bitches.
Relax.
Pussies, nigga. Y'all need
Relax.
three. Y'all need 3 on one
Relax.
nigga like me.
Pretty sure I took you down by myself there, pal.
Relax. You good?
Yeah, I think so. Still cut up.
God damn, nigga, y'all suck.
Trying to move.
Nigga, you get the off my fucking back like that.
Shut up.
Stop resisting.
I'm the hell fucking resisting.
You just tried to roll up. That's why we went
Because,
down on
dude,
you,
okay, we'll get off a little bit, okay?
You
I'm
gonna
calm,
stop?
yes.
Okay, are you gonna stop?
Calm, yes. I can't breathe. This is on camera, too. They all know what this is. They all know police brutality. We all know it. You guys aren't cops anyway, you demons. Jesus Christ, have mercy.
211, go for him.
Jesus Christ. Jesus Christ. Jesus
shit.
Christ.
Alright,
Jesus Christ. Jesus Christ. Yes, Jesus Christ. Yes. Yes. Dude.
211, go for
What in
210.
the fuck? What in the fuck? What in the fuck? What in the fuck? What in the fuck?
I thought that was my car.
What in the fuck?
That was my car.
What in the fuck?
Alright, I'll get my car pulled up.
What in the fuck? What in the fuck? No, what in the fuck?
That's why we went
Because,
down on
dude,
you,
okay,
okay?
we'll get off a little bit, okay?
You gonna
I'm
stop?
calm, yes.
Okay, are you gonna stop resisting?
calm,
listen,
yes.
listen to me, Justin.
Dude, I can't.
Are you going
I
to stop
can't, dude, I
resisting?
can't breathe.
If you
This
couldn't
is on
breathe,
camera, too.
if you couldn't breathe,
They
you'd
all
be
know what you
yelling.
did.
Okay,
They all know police brutality.
okay,
We all know it. You guys aren't cops anyways, you're demons.
okay.
Jesus Christ, have mercy.
Are you gonna stop
Jesus
resisting
Christ.
if we get off
Jesus
of you?
Christ. Jesus Christ.
Are you going to
Jesus
stop
Christ.
resisting if we get
Jesus
off
Christ.
of
Yes, Jesus Christ.
you? Okay.
Yes. Yes. Dude, y'all niggas ran at me, but I had a reason to fight you. That's hilarious.
You weren't
That's why
trying to
y'all
fight
do
us?
that.
That's why you tried to take a
Y'all
swing
ran
on?
at me. Y'all ran at me.
That's why you tried to
You
take a
niggas,
swing at this
You two
deputy.
demons. You two
Okay.
devils tried to run at me.
You don't need to
And
speak
y'all
anymore.
know. Y'all know. Y'all demons and you ain't shit. That's why God kicked your asses out. Because you're devils. You're demons. And you don't listen to God. You don't listen to his son. You don't listen to Michael. You don't listen to no one. So I want to talk to Michael. I don't want to talk to the devil. I want to talk to Michael. Michael knows what to do. Y'all motherfuckers are assholes. Let's just forget that I'm bleeding, though. Let's just forget that I'm hurt pretty badly. Let's just forget that, though, huh? Exactly.
Got an ambulance on the way to check you out, Justin.
Okay, cool. But I'm still pretty pissed off.
If we stitch you on your butt, are you gonna chill?
I don't know. It depends, man. Can I?
Okay.
Can I
Yes or
breathe?
no?
Yes
or no?
No, that answer right there answered it for us.
So what are you gonna put force on me now? Okay, that makes more sense, right? That'll really chill me out then. You guys gonna be a little. What was up with the crucifixion? What was up with that? That's cool though. That's all right. Like I obviously know that you people aren't fucking people. Obviously know that you're demons, and you already know where you're at. And I don't give a goddamn either. It's my brother's the devil, and y'all work for him. This is hilarious. So Jordan, I wonder what the fuck you think now, especially when I was on your side. But it's so sad that y'all got to do this to a little skinny lightweight. Y'all motherfuckers.
Sit up on your
So
butt.
stupid. Y'all are so stupid. Y'all are so stupid, bro. Y'all are so stupid.
Your knee. You bleed on your knee.
Yeah.
210 to 213 on foot.
Where'd you tack him through?
Just tack him through.
Is that your light?
Let
me go grab some.
That's his. Bro.
Hey,
He
got
ain't
on.
that strong. He ain't strong at all. He ain't even fast.
Caught you, bro.
No, I fell, you fucking pussy. You're a pussy.
Talking shit, bro.
Yes, I am talking shit.
Had you
I'll
on the
stay
ground,
talking
you was
shit.
whining like a
You had me
little
on the
girl.
cross last time.
Okay.
Yeah, you did. Remember that?
Nope.
No, you don't, because you're a fucking pussy. You weren't there.
Makes sense.
Yeah, exactly. You're an idiot. Welcome to heaven. You're an idiot. I wonder what that was. Why people were retarded. Fuck people. Stupid as fuck. Must be what they put in your water or something. Who knows? What did I say?
Yeah. Well,
Did I say something?
Looking at me, like, looking up. I'm like, oh, that's it.
Well, and that's what he did in the Walmart parking lot earlier. When he rode
I
down.
flipped you off, yeah.
You know your trespass from Walmart?
Who gives a fuck?
Got some issues, man.
Yeah, I do, bro. Y'all the reason why.
For us.
Yes, you are.
What do you do?
You know what you do.
What do you do?
You know what you do. So I go back in front of the council, God.
Well, waiting for the ambulance to get here and check him
Oh,
out.
I'm in
They were
confinement,
waiting
exactly.
to have the,
How'd I get out? That's so strange.
victim come here and they'll show up. Like I said, I'm in the process
'Cause I'm
of
an
charging
asshole.
affidavit now, so now that we have him, I'll go ahead and make a physical arrest on him for that too.
Good. Thank you. Thank you.
Doesn't matter.
Yeah, bro, you don't know what I got. I got AIDS, bro.
Probably do. Shit.
Yeah, good. Now you got it too, bud. Welcome to hell. Now you a faggot. Put some more gasoline on him. Throw him on fire.
Oh, that's not
Drag him behind the cop car. Back to Rome.
Been dragged enough tonight, buddy.
Oh, maybe I have. Don't get to cry about it like you. You sure? I'm so tough. My knee though hurts so bad. Let's spray him down. Make sure he doesn't get no cuts or boo-boos.
Not enough for you, buddy.
Like, fuck your mother, pussy.
You ran to the wrong one, huh?
Ran to the wrong one. You guys are so fucking comical.
So fucking comical.
Yeah, you're not. Spitting all your faces at once. Goddamn your mothers too. And my mama.
The father's getting a statement from him.
Thought they'd get a statement from
Court.
him.
Yeah, he's getting a statement. The manager's on his way over to relieve him. So
Be
he
a
can come over
pussy.
here and do his law.
Pussy ass nigga. Still a bitch. That's what he does. He fights women and children. That's what you people do. You people aren't tough. I
I'm
exposed your whole
recording,
system. I
just so you
exposed your
know.
whole system. I don't care if I die, bro. I don't care.
He's a peach.
Yeah, I'm a peach, bro.
So,
I'm a peach. You a pussy.
okay.
You're a
Justin,
feel
right?
that
Corporate's
way.
name?
Yeah.
Do me a favor, man.
No, don't talk.
Okay,
I can talk.
Satan. Don't touch any
Yeah,
of my
you are
guys.
Satan.
Letting you know.
I'll touch you.
Let them treat you, okay?
No,
don't
they
touch
don't
any
treat
of
me
them,
with nothing.
all right?
They don't treat me with nothing.
You don't want any
Take me to jail. I don't want nothing.
You don't want no help?
Same guy?
I don't want help from none of y'all demons.
got
Devils.
laceration on his hand.
Devils.
Got laceration on his head.
Devils.
Ran from us after.
I don't want your help.
Punching the clerk.
You don't help
over
nobody.
cigarettes.
Pussy ass nigga, that's what he was.
Yeah, my deputy caught him.
He's a pussy.
Yeah.
I bet you're gonna let him beat me up too, right in front of you guys, because you guys are so fucking tough. I don't want your help. Don't even look at me, fat guy. Don't. Oh, but you're gonna help me though. Oh, you're helping. This is real help. This is real help. Just look at it. Yeah. Wow. Wow.
Superficial.
Yeah. Superficial. Fuck it. Take me to jail now. Take me to jail now, please. Do your jobs. Oh yeah, these are real cuffs.
Superficial. Yep.
Or you just stare at me like I don't exist. And I can still just be sitting at home getting drunk.
Are you done running your mouth?
No.
Are you done with him?
Yeah, turn it off.
Can we put him in the car?
His
Yeah, put me in
pupils
the
are
burning car.
extremely dilated.
Yeah, he's gonna
Wow,
have to
what do you
go
say?
He's gonna have to go to the hospital.
All right,
Oh,
let's
God.
go.
But we'll take him
Stand
to
up.
Oh
the
God.
We are waiting
Oh,
for the
God.
to come over here.
Oh God forbid. God forbid. Oh God, oh God, I'm so scared. Fuck you, pussies.
Wait, what's he got?
Pussy ass niggas. Oh, make sure you do.